Have you ever been out in public with a low phone battery and plugged into a free USB charging station? It seems convenient, right? But what if I told you that using public USB ports could put your personal data and device at risk? Welcome to the world of juice jacking. A sneaky cyber attack that can steal your information without you even knowing. In this video, I'll explain how it works and give you essential cybersecurity tips to protect yourself. Let's get started. So, what exactly is juice jacking? It's a cyber attack where hackers modify public charging stations or cables to install malware or steal data from your device. The moment you plug in, your phone could be compromised. Hackers can access your passwords, contacts, emails, and even install spyware on your device. They can download the data off of your device or something nasty on your device. Scary, isn't it? Juice jacking works by exploiting the data transfer feature in USB cables. When you plug into a malicious charging port, your phone treats it like a computer connection and allows data transfer without your permission. Hackers use this loophole to infect your device or steal sensitive data. And the worst part? You won't even notice it happening. Now that you understand the risks, let's talk about how to stay safe from juice jacking. Here are some simple but effective ways to protect your phone and personal data. First, avoid public USB charging ports. The easiest way to stay safe is not to use public USB charging stations at all. Instead, always carry your own charger and plug it into a wall outlet or a trusted power source. Hackers can't tamper with a standard electrical socket, so this is always the safest option. Second, use a data-blocking USB adapter. If you must use a public charging port, a data-blocking USB adapter is a must-have. These small devices physically block data transfer pins while allowing power to flow through. This ensures that no data is exchanged between your device and the charging station. Third, carry a portable power bank. A portable power bank isn't just great for cybersecurity, it's also super convenient. Instead of searching for a public charging station, you can charge your device anytime, anywhere. Plus, you won't be stuck waiting around at a charging spot, which can also be risky in unfamiliar places. Investing in a good quality power bank means you're always in control of your charging. Fourth, turn off data transfer mode. Many smartphones automatically activate data transfer mode when plugged into a USB port. This is what hackers exploit to steal your data. To stay safe, go into your phone's settings and disable data transfer when charging. On most devices, you can find this under Settings, USB Preferences, Charge Only mode. Some phones also ask if you trust a connection when plugged into a new device. Always select Deny unless you're 100% sure it's a safe source. Fifth, keep your phone updated. Cybercriminals constantly find new ways to exploit devices, so keeping your phone's software up to date is crucial. Updates contain security patches that protect against known vulnerabilities. The more up-to-date your phone is, the harder it is for hackers to attack it. Regularly updating software is always important for many reasons. I have made an own video on the subject, why you should never ignore software updates. Check it out too. Bonus tip. If you're in a situation where you must charge your device in public and you don't have a USB data blocker or power bank, consider turning off your phone completely before plugging in. This reduces the risk of data transfer, though it's not foolproof. When in doubt, always choose the safest charging method possible. Cybersecurity is all about staying informed and being proactive. Now that you know the hidden dangers of public USB charging stations, you can charge your devices more safely without the risk of a cyber attack. Did you find this video helpful? Let me know in the comments. Also, remember to like, share, and subscribe for more cybersecurity tips to keep you and your data safe. Thanks for watching, and stay cyber safe.